The exercise paradox, unraveling the truth about workouts and weight loss. The great weight loss myth, why exercise isn't the magic bullet. You've probably heard the age-old advice, just eat less and exercise more to lose weight. But here's where it gets controversial, it's not that simple. Expert Rachel Woods sheds light on the complex relationship between exercise and weight loss. While the basic principle of weight loss is straightforward, burn more calories than you consume, the reality is often more challenging. Research shows that exercise alone may not be the miracle cure for shedding pounds. But don't throw away your workout gear just yet. Exercise plays a crucial role in overall health, especially when it comes to maintaining a healthy weight. The science behind the paradox. Several fascinating processes explain why exercise might not lead to significant weight loss. Appetite stimulation. Exercise can increase appetite, leading to higher food intake, which may counteract the calorie deficit created by the workout. Subconscious movement. People tend to move less throughout the day after a workout, reducing the overall calorie burn. Metabolic adaptation. Over time, the body becomes more efficient, burning fewer calories during the same activity. This natural defense mechanism against weight loss can hinder progress. The evolutionary perspective. From an evolutionary standpoint, our ancestors' bodies conserved energy during intense physical activity, protecting them from starvation. However, in today's world, this metabolic adaptation can make weight loss a challenging endeavor. The importance of exercise, beyond weight loss. Although exercise might not be the primary driver of weight loss, it seems to be a key player in maintaining a healthy weight. A study involving over 1,100 individuals revealed that while physical activity had little effect on initial weight loss, higher activity levels post-weight loss were strongly linked to successful weight maintenance. Exercise also brings about measurable health improvements, such as better cholesterol levels, reduced inflammation, improved blood sugar control, and increased insulin sensitivity. These benefits lower the risk of health issues like heart disease and type 2 diabetes. Combining exercise and medication, a powerful duo. Research suggests that combining exercise with weight loss drugs, like Saxenda, can enhance weight loss maintenance compared to using the drug alone. Unraveling the paradox. Why exercise helps maintain weight loss. The reasons behind this paradox are not fully understood, but several mechanisms offer potential explanations. Resting energy expenditure. When we lose weight, our resting energy expenditure decreases more than expected. Exercise can help offset this decrease, boosting total daily energy expenditure. Muscle mass preservation. Weight loss often results in the loss of both fat and muscle. Exercise, especially resistance training, can preserve or rebuild muscle mass, boosting metabolism and aiding long-term weight maintenance. Fat burning and metabolic flexibility. Intense exercise improves the body's ability to burn fat and switch between burning carbohydrates and fat, ensuring continued fat burning even with low calorie intake or weight loss. Insulin sensitivity. Exercise reduces the amount of insulin needed to regulate blood sugar, which can promote fat storage and reduce fat breakdown. Indirect benefits. Exercise improves sleep, mood, and reduces stress levels, lowering the stress hormone cortisol and potentially reducing fat storage. Appetite and blood glucose regulation. Regular activity helps control appetite and blood glucose, reducing cravings and overeating. Individual differences and workout types. It's important to recognize that everyone responds differently to exercise. The number of calories burned and the impact on appetite vary from person to person. Additionally, different types of workouts offer unique benefits for health and weight maintenance. Aerobic exercise, activities like brisk walking, cycling, or running burn calories and enhance the body's ability to burn fat for fuel at higher intensities. Resistance training. This type of exercise, such as Pilates or weightlifting, helps build and preserve muscle mass, supporting a higher resting energy expenditure and aiding long-term weight maintenance. The bottom line. While exercise might not be the most powerful tool for initial weight loss, it can be a game changer for sustaining weight loss and offering numerous physical and mental health benefits. So, keep moving, and remember, it's not just about the numbers on the scale. Rachel Woods, a senior lecturer in physiology at the University of Lincoln, UK, emphasizes the importance of exercise for overall health and well-being.